In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record employee time off in Gusto. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the right policy and dates are captured so payroll and balances stay accurate. Start on your Gusto dashboard. From the main navigation, open the Time and Attendance section. This is where all scheduling, tracking, and time-related tools live. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions from your admin, but once you have access, everything you need is in this area. Next, choose Time Off. This page is dedicated to paid time off, vacation, sick leave, and similar policies. It centralizes requests, balances, and entries so you can quickly find and record what's needed without digging through different menus. From here, select Record Time Off for a U.S. employee. This option is designed specifically for employees on a U.S. payroll. Using the correct path ensures the entry feeds into balances and upcoming payroll runs correctly, which helps avoid surprises or manual adjustments later. Now, select an employee. Use the search bar or scroll the list and double-check you've got the right person, especially if multiple employees have similar names. Choosing the correct individual is important because the time you record will affect their specific accrual balance, and, if applicable, their pay. Next, select a policy. Pick the appropriate category, such as PTO, vacation, or sick, based on your company's rules and the employee's request. The policy you select determines how hours are deducted and how the entry appears in reports. If your company has multiple policies that look similar, pause for a moment to confirm you're using the correct one for this situation. Enter the date or dates requested. You can enter a single day or a date range for multi-day time off. If your organization allows partial days, you may see options to specify hours within those dates. Take a moment to confirm the dates are correct and align with any holidays or weekends, depending on how your policies handle them. Accurate dates ensure the right amount is deducted from the employee's balance. When everything looks right, click Record Time Off. This finalizes the entry, updates the employee's balance, and readies the information for payroll. It's a good habit to review the confirmation or summary that appears right after you submit, just to be sure nothing needs adjusting. If you spot an error, you can return to Time Off to make corrections. That's it. You've recorded employee time off in Gusto quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and keep this workflow handy for smooth, compliant time off tracking.